thing is, what I really like about this machine is that, you know, if you are considering a horizontal machining centre but not a 5-axis, now you can consider a 5-axis, which is also a horizontal, because of the envelope of the machine allows you to put a cube on the machine, as well as obviously multi-vice 5-axis or a very large complex 5-axis component.
Well, you're right, Mark. We're going to follow the theme of EMO, so we're looking at very much automation and digitisation. The reason behind that is to give the customers better efficiency on the machine, better feedback on the productivity, better understanding of what can be done and how it can be done, and we'll have many applications of automation at the open house.
So in this case, instead of having the typical moving table, we have integrated a Rotary table up to 1.6 to 2 meters size, which is the biggest size, which allow you to turn 2.5 diameter parts.
So you can put bigger parts on the table, but have a smaller sort of footprint of machine. Is that the aim?
Exactly.
All these products are based around stainless steel machining, so maybe we can just briefly talk about some.
We highlighted some products, especially here precision coolant for grooving application, our GGC line, so we will explain a little bit. We have a very strong rounder grade YB 9020, so we are comfortable in all applications. So it's our best PVD grade at the moment in combination with the EG chip breaker for the medium range.
This is a indexable insert system. Here we can machine almost every material because this is based on our already existing insert S117. This is the insert what we have already since several years in our program, but now we took the decision that we use it for drilling.
With this tool we've actually had sub 0.1 RA.
Wow, so that's mirror finish really, Neil?
Yeah, correct it is.
So
yeah.
effectively that's grinding surface finishes as well, isn't it?
Yeah, that's right.
So by using this tool on your milling machine, you know, does it save an operation putting that component onto a grinding machine?
Yeah, it does. This will just follow your milling cutter.
Now this has also got a new livery on it. It looks different. They've refurbished the look of and feel of the machines compared to the older generation. But technically the machines have advanced as well. They use the rack and pinion system to move the carriage up and down the bed. Now this is a far better method than a ball screw. It's also got twin motors on that rack and pinion, so it's more stable. It's got a better locking mechanism for when you're machining. Certainly components like this, you need that type of rigidity. You've officially launched this. What sort of attraction have you had in the 2 launch days?
Well, we've had a super time really. In Devon we only had 5 companies come, which I was a bit disappointed about, to be honest, but the quality of the people that came was great. Some of them had already got automation and still thought that this was a great product with a great price point, and also could solve some issues that they had even though they already had automation, because this addressed different things.
Yes, absolutely, it works fantastically. And you see here the robot which we have. We see the automatic changeover from clamping collets. We see the measuring system which is included. Everything works excellent fine with the Hainbuch quality, the high accuracy.
Good morning everybody. We are here at ETG's Discover Turnkey Excellence event. Gio and myself are going to have a little bit of a walk around the show so you get a taster as to what has been at the event or is at the event if you've got time to come today. We've got the Chiron DZ15. This is a twin spindle machine and both of the spindles are working at the same time. It's a mirrored image, so you're making 2 parts in the same time. Normally the machine would make 1.